Felipe Massa is currently locked in a legal battle after missing out on F1 silverware to Lewis Hamilton in 2008. Ferrari icon. Felipe Massa has insisted Lewis Hamilton has nothing to do with his battle to get the result of the 2008 season overturned. The Brazilian missed out on the title to Hamilton by 1 point, with former F1 boss Bernie Ecclestone later admitting he had known that foul play had taken place at the Singapore Grand Prix. Massa started the 2008 Singapore race from pole position and extended his lead in the early stages, but saw his afternoon turn sour when Renault's Nelson Piquet Jr. crashed on lap 14M. The Ferrari man was penalized following a pit stop under safety car conditions after his team released him with the fuel hose still attached to his car. Massa ultimately finished 13th and left the circuit without any points to his name, while Hamilton bagged 6 points after ending the day in 3rd place. Piquet Jr. went on to allege that Renault had asked him to crash on purpose in order to improve the prospects of his teammate Fernando Alonso, who rose from last place to race winner following the incident. And in early 2023, Ecclestone suggested that he and then FIA President Max Mosley were aware at the time that the crash had been deliberate, but opted against taking action to protect the F1 brand and avoid a scandal. If F1 chiefs did act at the time, they may have made the result of the race null and void, which would have given Massa the point swing he needed to win the title. And earlier this year, Massa filed a lawsuit against Formula One, the FIA, and Ecclestone at London's High Court. The 43-year-old was quizzed about the lawsuit during an interview with Motorsport. After being asked if he had ever spoken to Hamilton about what happened that day, he simply replied, "No."